We are starting this project in Pendleton, South Carolina today. We just cored our hole through. We're about to go through the rim joist, and then we're gonna route the system up the side of the home here. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so this is a carport that was closed in, and you can see, I haven't even dug anything out of here. Look at the void. It's got like a 2-inch void up underneath it. So where soil gas come from? Probably right here. All right, so I'm trying to zoom in to show you. So apparently when I pushed the bit in, it kind of dammed the earth up. The void is bigger than I thought. I mean, it's like 3 or 4 inches. It's pretty massive. This goes all the way into this carport. So again, where does the radon come from? It's here. It's coming from this plenum. This is creating a plenum. Soil gas builds up into it, and then it spills into the house. All right, where's the other plenum coming from? Right here. Look at the giant void under the front porch. Can't even see the bottom of that one. All right, so this is the system inside. This is over in the main basement area. And you can see we've got a suction point in the slab. We couldn't move any air under this floor. So I'm not terribly concerned with the radon under this slab. However, we need a place for condensate and water to let off. That's why we put that there. But the big area that we're looking at is, boom, this under this carport. Then we go out to the fan right here. And then this goes over to the front porch area. But that's the main crux of the system. Interesting fact, we had a massive void underneath this carport here, and our test point over here is minus 6.5. So that tells me there's probably some pathway that comes underneath here where water has eroded over time, washed underneath the footing. That's giving us negative differential pressure over here. This is actually the furthest test point from the suction pit, and it had the highest sub-slab differential pressure. All right, this is inside. This is going under the front porch. You can see we had to cut the drywall so we get the pipe through there, so we core through. We got it all cored. There was a massive void under the front porch. But we got it all placed back into place. You can see we've patched the drywall, wet sanded it so it lays in there nice and flat and beautiful. Looking good. We're about to wrap this up. Test point over here was minus 0.1. Again, it was really restrictive clay. So not really thinking that we're getting a ton of movement from under the slab. It's possible, but it's not my first choice. And then over here, this is, again, we're probably 5 feet from the suction point over here on the other side of this wall, and this was minus 2.3. So very minimal. Again, I think primarily we're getting mainly radon entry from the carport and the front porch back here. We've got those addressed now. Let's see what the radon does. Here's the system outside.